In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quick Analysis tool in Excel. This feature is a fast way to format data, add totals, visualize trends, and create charts without digging through multiple menus. If you've ever wondered how to go from raw numbers to clear insights in a few clicks, this is for you. First, make sure you're looking at the cells you want to analyze. Click and drag to highlight your data. It helps to include headers, like month or sales, and to keep the range continuous. No blank rows or columns in the middle. Numeric data works best for most options, but labels are useful for charts and tables. Once you release your mouse, look to the bottom right corner of your selection. You should see a small Quick Analysis button appear. That little pop-up is Excel's shortcut to the most common tools. If you don't see it, try pressing Ctrl+Q on Windows, or check your Excel settings to make sure Quick Analysis is enabled. Another tip: if your selection includes only text or empty cells, the button may not show, so double-check your range. Go ahead and click the Quick Analysis button. A gallery opens with tabs like Formatting, Charts, Totals, Tables, and Sparklines. The best part is you get instant previews. Hover your mouse over any option to see what it would look like on your data, and click to apply it. Now, start using it. In formatting, you can apply data bars, color scales, or icon sets that make high and low values pop at a glance. In charts, hover to preview recommended visuals, column, line, pie, or more, so you can pick what tells the story best without guesswork. In totals, you'll find one-click calculations such as sum, average, count, running total, and percentages, applied either below or to the right of your selection depending on your layout. In tables, you can turn your range into an Excel table with filters and structured references, or even generate a quick pivot table to summarize large datasets. And with Sparklines, you can add tiny in-cell charts that show trends over time without taking much space. A few quick tips as you explore. You can always undo with Ctrl+Z if a choice isn't right. If previews look off, adjust your selection to include the correct headers or categories, then reopen Quick Analysis. Keep your data clean, consistent number formats and no merged cells for the best results. That's it. Highlight, watch for the pop-up, click it, and start applying the tools that bring your data to life in seconds.